apply the zero factor rule. Is this side zero?
Yes.
Hey, let's look at this here. Is this side zero here?
No.
It's not zero. So we can't say 3x minus 1 is equaling to 10. So it means the zero factor rule does not apply.
Oh.
So we'll just say for this activity, I want you not to solve it. I want you to say which zero factor law not applicable. So the zero factor law is not going to be applicable here. We'll see how do we do with such a question if the zero factor law cannot apply. We do get such questions, but not on question 1.1. We can get them on 1.3, 1.4, and then we'll see how do we deal with them.
Mr.
Mina
did it. Mr.
Yes.
Mina did it.
You did it. You
I didn't use the
zero
how did you do it,
yeah.
Esther?
I said I said 3x minus 1 is equal to 10 or x plus 2 is equal to 10. And then I say
it doesn't apply. You cannot do that. It can only work if one side is equal to 0. We can't say whenever you said something like this, that one is mathematically wrong. 3x minus 1 is equal to 10, or x plus 2 is equal to 10. This is wrong. You can't do this. You can only do it once you have 0 here. Because remember, what does the law say? It says it's either one side. Remember, here's what we are saying here. Look at it here. Let's take number 2, for example. On number 2, we're saying it's either we are going to make this to be 0. Remember, if I make this to be 0, let's come and make this to be 0. If I make this part to be 0, anything multiplied by 0 is going to give us 0. So it's going to make the left-hand side and the right-hand side to be equal. 0 multiplied by x, it gives us 0. 0 multiplied by minus 2, it gives us 0. Then it means 0 is going to be equal to 0. The other way to make this equation to be true.
Number 4.
You want to try number 4? Yes.
Yeah. Mina, I remove the bracket. Then
that's how we should do
10
it.
to the other
by
side.
removing the bracket. And then I don't want us to do it now. I want us to pause it for example number 3. Example number 3, we're going to be doing such questions whereby we're going to be dealing with trinomials. So here, I wanted you to notice to say the zero factor law does not apply. Why it does not apply? Yes, we do have a product. Can you see that again? There is a product, but there's no 0 here. Since there's no 0, we'll say the factor law does not apply. The zero factor law does not apply. Not applicable here. It does not apply here. So we are going to factorize this, and then we'll see to example number 3. We are going to go to example number 3 after this, and then we'll see how to do that one. Can we move to number 4 then? We'll come back to that one. It's fine. Number 4, can we say the zero factor law does it apply? There's a person who said they wanted to do this one. Who's that? Kevin.
Yes.
Can you apply the zero factor law here?
Yes.
Look at this, Kevin. I want you to notice something here. Our addition here on number 2, they're inside. Addition and subtraction, they're inside the bracket. Can you see that again? This one is inside the bracket, and then this one is also inside the bracket, meaning which you are multiplying bracket number 1 and bracket number 2. Let's notice number 4. What is inside the bracket?
X minus 8.
It's x minus 8. Ne? Okay, but now look at this one. X plus 4. Is x plus 4 inside the bracket?
No.
It's not inside the bracket. Ne? But this side we do have a 0. So in fact, yes, we do have a plus in between. So we no longer have a product, because this is going to be term number 1. This is going to be term number 2. They are separated by this plus. So the zero factor law cannot apply here. Does it make sense?
No.
It doesn't make sense. I want you to notice the one. Look at the one on top. Let me write this one here. It's 3x minus 1. It's x plus 2. Equaling to 0. Okay, there's a 0. One thing is equaling to 0. I'm not writing this one per se. I'm just giving you another example. So there is a 0. We accept the 0. It's fine. The zero factor rule is going to apply because we have a 0. The next thing that we should check. Check if there's a product. Is there a product? Product meaning multiplication only. Is there multiplication only? This thing is inside the bracket, Angisho.
Yes. Yes.
And then this one is also inside the bracket. Can you see it?
Yes.
Let me make the other one to be blue. So we have red inside the bracket, and then we have blue inside the bracket. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
But look at this one here. This one is inside the bracket. This one is outside the bracket, meaning which this thing here is going to be this one multiplied by this one multiplied by this one. But with this one here on top, what do you have? You have something like this. You have this one multiplied by this one multiplied by this one multiplied by this one multiplied by this one. X here cannot multiply this bracket because it's not related to a bracket. It's not multiplying the bracket, but it's adding to the bracket. Is it fine?
Yes.
Yeah, so here we are going to say the zero factor law does not apply. Not applicable. So let's go to number 5. What do you think with number 5? Does it apply? Bracket number 1, bracket number 2, there's a 0. Are we multiplying the two brackets or we're adding the two brackets?
We are adding.
We're adding.
Multiplying.
So can we use the zero factor law?
No.
We can't use the zero factor law because it applies only when we're multiplying.
And yes, and there's a plus product.
Yeah. So here we have a problem because we have a plus. Because we have a plus, we're going to tell them, Gucci, the zero factor
Is not applicable.
is not applicable here. Okay, let's go to the last one then. What about this one? What do you think on this one, number 6?
It is applicable.
It's applicable.
It is applicable, ne?
Yes.
Because look at this, we do have a 0. We also have our brackets multiplying each other. So we have a 0, and then we also have our brackets multiplying each other. They are not adding each other, but they are multiplying each other. Let's apply it then. If it applies, let's apply it then. What are we going to say?
X plus 2 is equals to 0. Or 2 minus 3x is equals to 0.
And then what are you going to have here?
X is equals to negative 2.
X is equal to minus 2. Or
negative 3x is equals to negative 2.
So what do we have then?
Divide by divide by negative 3 and negative 2.
And it says X is going to be equal to
2 over 3.
2 over 3. Oh, look at your back now.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.